don't forget, please hit that like, subscribe on the, or should I say, quick video on the, if you want to get some super cool shield. There's it shooting up. We got to make sure it doesn't hit anything on the side.
It's supposed to come back. Boomerangs go fast and
Yeah.
come back, right?
Oh, that tree. I don't like that. Yeah, I'm bringing it back. I abort. I don't like that tree over there. Let's go further back here. Welcome back, everybody. Today we got a drone video for you. We're going to talk about the quick shots. All right, so the first one we're going to do here is the droney. And you can see it basically goes back. You can set it 25 meters all the way up to about 50 meters. And then it'll come right back to the starting point. Now we can switch it and we're going to go to rocket. And it's now just going to fly straight up in the air while locking onto the target. 25 meters, and then it, again, comes right back down. Asteroid is basically going to fly straight up. This one takes a lot longer, so it's going to do a 360 view from the top. Guys, I don't know if you can hear Margarita is like yelling at me to leave. Do you hear her? That's Margarita, I swear it is. Ducks, I don't know if they're baby ducks or a couple that are like trying to mate or something. All right, so now we are going to do hyperlapse. So I'm going to go in here, click the hyperlapse. I'm going to change. So you see the intervals here. We can switch that. So every 3 seconds, and it's, see, and as you move it up, it's going to take longer. So I need right now 6 minutes. Let's just see something here. So that means it's going to need 11 minutes, 6 seconds. So it's going to need 7 minutes and 30 seconds to do this. And max speed. Oh, we can actually adjust the speed. That's pretty neat. So I'm going to try to set up this shot nicely. Come in over these boats as they're kind of, you know, moving around nicely. And now we got free, we got course lock, and the waypoint. So I'm going to set the waypoint. This is my first camera. So you see on the bottom I was showing like too large, good. And now there's my second shot. So now I want it to lower a bit to kind of get those boats. We still have a good shot. And that's going to be my third spot. It's too large. So it's nice that it tells you, because then you can readjust. That'll be the next one. If we can get the city in the background there. So, okay, so you have to move it until, as that number gets down, you see how it's gone up? That's at 9. So if I move to the left, does it adjust that number? Okay, there we go, see? And that's the last one. So now we're gonna tap the shooting button, and it's gonna go back to the main point. And now it's gonna start. Here we go. Obviously, I'm not gonna make you sit for the next 7 minutes, 30 seconds, so. All right, so now the video has been created and it's done. Gonna go to the quick shot. So we did droney, we did rocket. We are going to do circle. I have it locked on me. And so from here we can adjust it to either go to the left or to the right just by clicking that circle, and then we are going to click start.
2,
it's going to do its
1.
countdown, and it should just literally go right around me. And I can still move around. It's still going to lock on to me. Full complete 360. Back at where I started it. Now the other one is called a helix. So you can set the max radius between 10 meters and, wow, 120 meters. I'm just gonna set this at 30. Margarita, you wanna be in the shot? All right, look, we have a volunteer.
I'm doing my yoga.
Get up. All right, go over there. And I'm gonna sit down now. So I'm going to have it go the same way. Margarita is the target. It's locked on. And
3,
start.
2,
3,
1.
2, 1. And now it's going to follow Margarita. And there it goes the opposite way. And it should continue to rise. There you go. See? It continues to rise up. You can turn around and whatever at it and look at the drone.
What should I do? Just stay?
Yeah, just basically gonna follow you, and it's going higher up.
Should I jog and it's gonna follow me?
Jog, well then that would be like a different thing. Look at that, it goes pretty fast too, and it's high up there. Wow. Now.
Is it like follow me what?
Yeah, it's basically following you and then doing like a circle around you. But basically, so if you tap the screen here, so you have quick shots.
Oh, okay.
Oh, boomerang. I never did boomerang. It's locked on to us. I'm gonna push the start. You wanna be the one? Ah! Margarita's gonna do this. I wish I had the camera on her. So you tap us. Perfect. Now it's locked on, and then the start.
3, 2,
Let's see
1.
what this one does here. All right, so I'm gonna give Margarita the sticks again. She knows what she's doing. I am off the controller.
And start.
3,
And
2,
start.
1.
Well, the only thing that's recording us is the drone, but only when we push it to start. Hopefully it is recording. I gotta check that. All right, so here it goes again. I was worried about the tree in the back there. So it can go around to our back and around. So it's showing the whole view of everything. That's kind of cool. It's going up and around. It goes far back. That's why I was worried about that tree. I'm like, no.
Should we come to the position back? No.
Yeah. Well, it's like, so it starts at one point, boomerangs around one way, up in the air, and then back down.
Uh-huh. See? So close.
Too nice.
So the next one?
No, we did it all.
No. One more.
No, and then asteroid, I did it already. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's it. So there you go. Super quick video. Or should I say a quick video on the quick shots of the Mavic Air 2. Again, you know what? It just makes flying the drone even that much more easier. If you want to get some super cool shots and you're not a good drone flyer yet and you're still learning, that's the way to do it. Even for the pros, you know what? Again, I don't consider myself a pro, but even sometimes just to get some extra shots that you wouldn't even be thinking of, or you're just trying to get it, and it just makes life that much easier. Send it up, do its thing, and away you go. So let me know in the comments below what else you want to see or know about this drone. I'm happy to report it back and do a video on it. We will catch you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you really enjoyed this video, and consider subscribing to get you know, a notification when I do another video. Thanks for watching.